the pocket penetrometer test. For this test, you will require an extruder, a pocket penetrometer, a sampling tube, a supporting block, a wire cutter, and a calibration chart provided in your lab manual. To extrude the soil, assemble the sampling tube into the extruder. Then, turn the handle to extrude the soil. Use a wire cutter to cut off the wax tip to expose the soil. Take out the wax tip from the end of the sampling tube. Then, slice off the bit of soil that is exposed. Place the supporting block upright on the table. Then, place the sampling tube on the supporting block. Now we are ready to begin the pocket penetrometer test. The penetrometer test essentially measures the bearing capacity of the soil beneath the cone. In this test, the tip of the penetrometer is set to bear perpendicularly against the soil surface, and the load on the penetrometer is then gradually increased so as to raise the bearing stress on the soil surface. This continues until bearing capacity failure occurs, at which the penetrometer starts to push into the soil. The apparatus can be fitted with various sizes of tips to suit soils with different undrained shear strength. Calibration charts for the 10mm and 15mm diameter tip are provided in your lab manual. In the pocket or miniature penetrometer, the load is applied by hand and measured by a wiper attached to a calibrated spring. When there is no more increase in the load, the reading in kilogram is then recorded. Then, the corresponding undrained shear strength is read off the calibration chart. This test is considered only as a means of estimating the shear strength of the soil and is not covered in the BS 1377.